Stop by and take a look at the 2013 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, Bose sound system, quad seating, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.